Hey guys, and sorry about not making the video for a week. I'm actually kind of busy going for Spain out there. When my grandma not placed in Spain out there, so long been pretty busy this week and probably this week. But I saw on Amazon Jams earlier today said Amazon offline first for me because I've only been on Amazon for a week. And I saw where I went I could get on. It said, I saw someone say, my den, all the items there I'm giving away. I'm Queen AJ. She said, nope, nothing's here. And she's trying, and then, there's nothing here. Then she said, I am Queen AJ. And, she did say she has all that stuff she's saying right now. I have all my member spikes, rares, and betas, and all that. Stuff. Put it on tray for we. Put it on tray for we can believe you. We will believe you if you have it on tray. Sorry, I have this wipe behind me. This paper that keeps on weighing on my head. Almost. Ooh. Ay, ay, ay. Just because she doesn't show you the items, she still can't have them. All spikes rares. Did she leave? Where is she? Oh, good, she's still there. I'm staying to watch, and if I do trust her, it's that I won't get scammed. Last time I got scammed, I got scammed from my rare short that took me a year to earn. If you're complaining, then leave. Oh, such an insult. I'm complaining. No, as for this game, I don't really trust them unless you give proof. I want to show kindness. Wow, I want to say something, but I have nothing to say on here. And if it happened to you, watch the video if you ever got scammed, or if you ever got a message from AJ, Animal Jam is offline this morning or any other day. Okay, do that while I say I need to read all my memory stuffed ins and animals. Why? Liar, pants on fire. Wire XD. And liar, pants on fire. Why pants on fire? Why pants on fire? I'll be wait for 1,000 member. I'm joking, I'm probably get membership. This time I'll probably pay. That's me when I got that picture right in the bottom corner. That right there, that's me when I got on Christmas. Remember day because I just woke up. I got this computer. By the way, this is my backup sugar I've called on fire. I am Bart AJHQ. You got good for you. Good for you. That's right, bud. Oh, got some sister there. You got some sister. Yeah, I'm getting creep. Creep. Please put rares on Jay. Here, we'll see. She's too young. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That body's too young. He's like, see, 15? Who knows? Not 15. I think he's like 15. He says he's like 14. Pepper probably 14. But still, she's in college. She should be like 19. But then Pepper and what? 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 Now I'm confused. I was like, What was I'm talking about? I did do a video last week. I tried to post up like 2 or 3 times, but it didn't let me. For some reason, it never did let me. It was with my cousin on there while I was at her house. Hey, who's that? Back up. Back up. Let's stop him. Shaq Henry. Yeah. I might dish this place. Wow, it seems like she has unibrow. Sorry. All AJQG capital rare and full stop. Ooh, get on with it. She got roasted. Liar in the house tonight. Everybody, put your hands up now. My mom will calm down a lot, but in person. But you gotta be hype and energetic. Wait, you're broke? What? Whoa. Holy cow. Holy Macarena. Holy Macarena or Holy Main Street. I make up memes, so I'm more clean enough. I'm done. I can. When someone is try to bother me off whip. No one messes with me in life. Easy, keep cool, bro. No, I'm right off the wind. Shrug this out a bit. Told you. Well, she went in a different world. Yeah, she probably. Oh yeah.